Have you ever wanted to create stunning visuals but lacked the artistic talent? Well, thanks to recent advancements in AI technology, you no longer have to be a professional artist to create beautiful images. These images were not created by humans but rather by AI text-to-image generators. Today, we're going to explore the top AI text-to-image generators that are revolutionizing the world of visual art. To create an image using an AI text-to-image generator, all you need to do is provide a textual description of what you want to create, and the AI algorithm will generate a corresponding image. Let's take a closer look at some of the top AI text-to-image generators. Number 1. Dall-E 2, created by OpenAI, is one of the most popular AI text-to-image generators. It can generate realistic images from textual descriptions, such as a cat made of pizza or a flying penguin wearing a scarf. Number 2. Stable Diffusion is another powerful AI text-to-image generator that produces high-quality images using diffusion models. Number 3. Craiyon is a web-based AI text-to-image generator that specializes in generating anime-style images. It can produce high-quality anime-style portraits and illustrations. Number 4. Lexica is an AI text-to-image generator that uses machine learning algorithms to create realistic images from textual descriptions. It can generate images of people, animals, objects, and landscapes. Number 5. Midjourney is a powerful AI text-to-image generator that uses generative adversarial network models to create high-quality images from textual descriptions. Number 6. Nightcafe is another popular AI text-to-image generator that uses GAN models to create realistic images from textual descriptions. It specializes in generating images of people, animals, and landscapes. Number 7. Deep AI is a web-based AI text-to-image generator that can create realistic images of people, animals, and objects. Number 8. Image.space is an AI text-to-image generator that uses GAN models to create realistic images from textual descriptions. It can generate images of people, animals, and more. These AI text-to-image generators have opened up a whole new world of possibilities for artists and creators. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or simply someone who loves to create, these tools can help you bring your ideas to life in stunning visual form. So what are you waiting for? Try out one of these AI text-to-image generators today and start creating beautiful, one-of-a-kind images that will amaze and inspire your audience. The future of image generation is here, and it's powered by AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in learning more about AI tools, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be exploring new AI tools every day.